I just got my new Bissell carpet cleanup, and I was about to clean my carpet. I already vacuumed it, and I was like, shoot, why don't I just record this? So I'm recording it so that you can see I'm about to clean this carpet. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I already vacuumed it. Let me show you. This is the Bissell cleaner that I got. I will leave the link for it below. I will leave the link for it below, but this is it right here. There you go.
Alright, I'm glad you sent your message.
This is it. I already put the solution in the bottle. It came with a solution. It came with a solution already. I vacuumed with my other vacuum. This one is also a Bissell. This one's also a Bissell. So I've had this one for a while. I bought this one from Walmart. I'll see if I find it and I'll also link it in the description. So let's get this going. So now I'm going to spray, like pre-spray the carpet and let it sit for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'll start to use the washer. Okay, so the majority of the discoloration that I'm seeing on my carpet is like right here in the front. Can you guys see? Here you go. There you go. Yeah, most of the discoloration is right here. I guess because this is a white carpet, you guys can't really see it. It's not as bad, but I normally clean this every couple of months. The last time I cleaned it was for Christmas. So I'm gonna oh, and I'm using the awesome, this is an awesome cleaner with bleach. I'm using this one. I got this from the dollar store, by the way. So guys, this is the solution that it came with. So it has like a water line, so you pour warm water from your faucet into the bottle and up to the water line, and then you add this and it shows you where to stop pouring this in as well. So this is what I'm using right now. Okay guys, let me tell you, if you do not own this Bissell Turbo Power Brush Pet Cleaner, go get it. Go get it. If you have carpets like this rug I have, this white rug, right here when you enter, because this is where you enter into my living room, was pretty dirty. Right in front here was pretty dirty because this is normally babe sit in this chair to watch the TV, and I don't want to step on it right now because it's wet. But guys, I like to see the pile go in the same direction, so that's why I did it like that. But man, that thing clean. And then this is the water. You see how dirty the water is? Like, this is the water. So I'm about to go clean that out because you're supposed to clean it when you're finished. And yeah, this did a pretty good job. So my carpet upstairs in my bedroom, well, not my carpet, my rug that's in my bedroom, I am going to also clean that one. I wanted to try it out on this rug down here first, since that one is a gray rug, so I wouldn't really see if it's getting clean or not except for the dirty water. But this white rug right here, Yes. If you don't have this Bissell cleaner and you have carpets with issues, I will advise you to get this particular cleaner. It works. It works. The proof is in the pudding. Okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna let it dry first, and I will put my living room back together, but I'm gonna let it dry for a few hours. I have the fan running so that it can help it dry. So yeah, and I'll probably capture me doing upstairs as well, so that I can add it to this video. Thank you.